So welcome to your next sound library. This time we're focusing on the open vowels. So here the mouth is open. Okay, so here are the open vowels. So a, and o. Let's run through them together. So a as in hat or attack or plait. Here you open your mouth in a very natural and neutral way. A, a, a. Now it's a bit different for the next sound, which is a, 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 a. So the a can be heard in run, front, and does, as in she does. So a, 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 a. Now the next one, as in far, or class, or part. So here it is a long vowel. You lengthen it. Part, class. Good. And then the o can be heard in dog, or often, or cough. So this one is a short vowel, o, and you drop your chin. So o, o, dog, often, cough. Good. So these were the open vowels. So a as in hat, then a as in run, then a as in part, and then o as in often.